Hey, English learners, ever heard the phrase butter up? No, it's not about cooking. Do you know what it means and how to use it?
Curious? Well, don't go anywhere. Stick around and let's dive in.
Vocabulary builder.
All right, picture this. A guy is on one knee, holding out a rose, looking all dramatic. What do you think is happening? No boring answers. Give me something juicy.
Oh, he's totally smitten. Look at his eyes. He's like, take my heart, my soul, my Netflix password.
Haha, smitten means to be deeply in love. But wait, what if he's just buttering her up? Trying to impress her.
Oh, good one. Butter up means to flatter someone to get what you want. So is he being romantic or just smooth talking?
Well, if he's faking it, she might see through him. That means she knows he's not being real.
Or maybe, she's just plain hard to get. Acting like she's not interested, but she totally is.
Haha, I love that phrase. Playing hard to get. Like when you don't text back immediately to look cool.
Exactly. But what if she turns him down? That means she rejects him. Oof, that would be painful.
Nah, I think she's on cloud 9. Look at that smile. She's super happy.
On cloud 9? Perfect. That means extremely happy. So what's another way to say that?
Over the moon or grinning from ear to ear.
Okay, but what if she freaks out and backs away? Like, whoa, dude, chill.
Then he might laugh it off and pretend it's no big deal.
Or he might run off into the sunset dramatically.
Speaking of drama, describe this scene using the words we learned.
All right, I got this. A smitten guy is buttering up his crush. She's on cloud 9, but maybe plain hard to get. Hopefully, she won't turn him down.
Love that. And hey, English learners, what do you think is happening? Comment below with your craziest story.
And hey, if you love learning English like this, don't turn us down. Hit that subscribe button and stay over the moon with us.
Grammar focus.
All right, grammar lovers, look at this guy in the picture. He is kneeling with a rose. What tense is that?
Present continuous. It's happening right now. He is proposing. Or maybe he is begging. Who knows?
Haha. Or he has been waiting for hours. That's present perfect continuous. Maybe she's thinking, let me decide next year?
Ooh, nice. Now what if we use passive voice?
A proposal is being made. Sounds so serious.
Or the rose was given by him. Dude, just say, he gave her a rose. Keep it simple.
Okay. What prepositions can we learn from this?
Easy. He's on his knee, holding a rose in his hand, looking at her.
And she's thinking about running away.
Haha, what about adjectives?
Nervous, romantic, hopeful. But wait, what's the comparative of nervous?
More nervous. Like he is more nervous than a student before an exam.
Love it. And modal verbs?
He must be in love, or he might be making a huge mistake.
Or she should say yes, or should not.
You guys are hilarious. All right, let's make a story with these grammar points.
He has been waiting forever. He is kneeling with a rose. She might be unsure. The rose is being held, but will she accept it?
Other common questions.
All right, what do you think he's feeling right now?
Nervous, excited. His heart is racing like a sprinter at the Olympics.
Nah, he must be regretting this already. Maybe she will say no, and he will have to crawl away in shame.
Whew. What if she says no? What happens next?
He will stand up awkwardly and say, haha, just kidding. I was tying my shoe.
Or he might run away and move to another country to start a new life.
Now, imagine. What if this was 100 years ago?
Oh, he would have written a love letter instead. No knee business.
Or he might have asked her father first. Old school rules.
True, but let's be honest. What should she do?
She should say yes. True love.
Nah, she should take her time. No rush.
Let's be positive. What if she says yes?
They will get married, will have 5 kids, and will tell this story forever.
Love it. Now, English learners, tell us, what happens next? Comment below and don't forget to like and share, or Ricky might propose to you next.